Good morning everybody, and once again welcome back to the video. In this particular video we are going to talk about Iceberg Table Matrix Collector and why it is such an important thing. This can be used to extract matrix from any Iceberg table, being it a manage or unmanaged, managed being the S3 table buckets, unmanaged being you manage that. So let's talk about that in the particular video. So this is the GitHub repository before we go any further. So this is a Python utility for collecting and analyzing comprehensive matrix from Apache Iceberg table. This tool extracts detailed stats about snapshot files partitioned to help you monitor the table health, optimize performance, and identify potential issues. So these are all the metrics that are captured in this, right? So for example, added data files. How many data files were added? Added records, change partition count, total records, total data files, total deleted files, added file size, total file sizes, added positional delete files, right? So all of these are like captured. So in terms of file matrix, these are some of the metrics I'm capturing. Average record count, maximum record count, minimum record count, average file size, maximum file size, and minimum file size. And these are some of the most important details about partitions, right? So here are some of the metrics that are captured. Total number of partition, average record count, maximum record count, minimum record count, deviation underscore record underscore count, skew record count, average file count, maximum file count, minimum file count, and total size in byte. So these are all the metrics that are basically extracted by the Python code. All right, so now you have an idea. Now let's see how you can use it, right? So let me share my screen. All right. So over here, if you can see, right, I am extracting, in a production, right, you will have thousands and thousands of tables, right? You need insight, you need these metrics, right, to understand your table growth and other things, right? So if you scroll down on the same GitHub repository, here are some of the use cases, right? Monitoring. Track the table growth over the time, monitoring data file counts and sizes, detect changes in partition distribution, and some of the optimization use case can be identify table with sub-optimal file sizes, find partition with high skew, track effectiveness of a compaction operation. For troubleshooting also you can use it, right? Detect tables with abnormal delete file counts, right? Identifying partitions with unusual high or low record count, monitor matrix after schema evolution or other table operations. So now let's see how you can use it. Right? So again, here you can see I'm on my Amazon S3 table bucket. These are managed Iceberg table, right? So how to use it, right? Simply provide your warehouse ARN, and there are two methods available for you. The first method is collect all matrix. So what this does is basically inside this particular catalog, all the tables, 100, 200, 1000, 10,000, whatever that is, it's gonna capture metrics for all of them, right? But if you need to inspect a specific table, absolutely, there has to be a method for that too. So collect matrix for a table, you can provide that. In this case, I just wanna probably inspect a table called customer, right? As an example, right? So you have the flexibility to do that. Okay, so I just wanted to let you know about that. Now just run it, man, simple. So I'm gonna run this. So first it's gonna, of course, get those packages from Maven. It creates a Spark session. And then here, probably if you see the source code, there are all these methods, right? So get file matrix, get snapshot. These will extract all the details about that, right? So while this is running, again, this will take a bit time, because it's gonna run the Spark SQL and it's gonna extract all these matrix and then give that us in a nice printed fashion. Okay. While this is running, I do wanted to also tell you that, okay, now you have access to matrix. Ship it to CloudWatch, ship it to Grafana, Prometheus, of course, and visualize it by Grafana. You can also ship it to Elasticsearch. You can do whatever you like, right? So here you can see right now, I'm getting these logs, right? So snapshot data is being worked on. See, all these metrics are extracted, right? File.average, average record count, so I'm getting all these metrics. And then it printed all the matrix in a JSON format. So if you need to just ship this JSON, you can do that, right? So you can see snapshot, matrix. Inside snapshot, there are all matrix about snapshots. So inside files, you have matrix about all the files, which is very important, right? And then inside, partition, you have all the matrix about the partition. So yeah, this is the GitHub repository. And So when you're using this code, right, always if you find some bugs, always contribute, right? Fork the repository, suggest your improvements and contribute, right? Because that's how we can help the community as well, right? With that being said, thank you so much for watching the video, and this code is there on my GitHub. Maybe in the next couple of videos, I'll show you, I don't know, I'll show you push these metrics into Prometheus. We'll build a beautiful dashboard on Grafana, or we can do it on CloudWatch too. We can ship these metrics to CloudWatch, and then we can build a dashboard there as well. I will show you all of that in the upcoming next video, so stay tuned. So thank you so much for watching. Keep smiling, keep programming, and I'll see you in the next video.